Are you prepared to discover how to earn a lot of money online? I'll also reveal 2 other websites, so you can double your earnings, and an amazing tool that can help you do the entire process in less than 5 minutes in just 3 simple steps to make even more money. So hit that subscribe button and let's get started. I'm talking about earning up to $1,400 every single day without selling anything, having any prior experience, or even using affiliate marketing. All you have to do is copy and paste some text. First things first, let's visit google.com. I mean, who doesn't use it? Search Google News, which is the official Google News website, will be the first result when you start typing in Google News. It's like an online newspaper where you can find news on anything and everything under the sun by clicking the first link, which will take you to the Google News homepage. World news and local news, businesses, technology, entertainment, sports, science, health. I know what you might be thinking. Why should I even care about this? And how am I going to get paid by just browsing a news site? So let me explain. So on the top, you can discover all kinds of news on the official Google page. You'll see a number of news categories, including local news and world news. We're going to concentrate on the positive news, such as business, technology, entertainment, sports, and science and health. So, now that we're only looking at the positive news, click on one of the categories that we're interested in. For example, let's say we're checking out the most recent tech news. Let's see health news. Decide on fitness, then let's examine this one. You'll need to find an article on Google News that you like and copy it. I'll do that by selecting it all like this and then clicking right and copy it and use it as it is now. And let me show you the most interesting part of the process. Are you ready to learn a cool trick for creating original content? Spinbot can help us avoid being accused of plagiarism. Go to spinbot.com and paste the text from the article you found into the website. This is where the magic happens. Spinbot is specialized software that takes the article you just copied and pasted and rewrites it in your own words. Yes, you'll have a completely new article with the same topic as the one you found on Google News. You might wonder why we need to do this. Well, if we just copied and pasted the original article, we could run into some legal trouble due to copyright issues. By using Spinbot, we avoid all of that and end up with a brand new article, a fresh piece of material. So allow me to accomplish that. I'll paste that article into Spinbot and select Basic Spin. You now have a unique blog post article, or whatever you want to call it. Okay, so here's the deal. You can actually create a unique blog post article. You should copy this article and save it somewhere safe, because we're going to sell it to a few websites that will pay us a lot of money for our words. These websites will pay you $1 for every word you write, and believe me when I say that these articles can have thousands of words, so we're talking some serious money. Once you have this article saved, I'll show you how to make some serious money with it. Therefore, eatingwell.com will be our first topic of discussion today. The exciting part is that they'll pay you $1 per word you write, but don't worry, you won't have to do any of the labor-intensive work yourself. You can easily write articles using Google News and Spinbot without any copyright issues. And the best part is that you won't have to do any selling, affiliate marketing, or other types of marketing at all. Stay with me until the end because I'll show you how to make money from a website. One of them accepts articles on and pays up to $2 every word you write. eatingwell.com pays you $1 per word you write, so if you have a 700-word article you'll get $700, and the other website I'm going to show you pays $2 per word, meaning $1,400. They both accept articles on a variety of topics, including money, health, fitness, travel, personal essays, relationships, and more, so you can make even more money by using multiple sites. You may start earning money right away, and it's quite simple. Once you visit their page, you'll see that they pay, so if you're wondering how to get paid for your essay, just follow the instructions there. The next step is to take note of the email address provided on the website and send them an email with the subject line "Content Submission." To make it sound even more formal, just mention that you have an article you'd like to submit and that you're looking forward to hearing from them. They pay $1 for each word you submit. I'll provide a template for you to use. Then you can copy and paste your content into the email and send it. Since it's your own piece, there shouldn't be any problems, and you can pick how you want to get paid: PayPal, bank transfer, or whatever. If they reply and ask for your payment details, the earning potential is limitless, and if you look at the health category, you'll see that there are numerous subcategories that provide endless opportunities to make money. The more you do this, the more money you're going to make. You can literally start doing this right now as you watch this video. Just follow along with me, and you'll be able to start writing your own article. However, I also promise to share 2 additional websites where you can submit your articles. The second website is Popular Science, which is comparable to Eating Well but has a quicker submission process. You only need to send questions, and once they reply, you can submit the entire article. On this website, we can see their email address. You can send your question along with your contact information to this email address. I'll provide you this form to use when submitting an article to the Popular Science website. You should concentrate on technology-related themes. Go back to Google News, go to Technology, and look for something that piques your interest. Take this article as an example, paste it into Spinbot, and let it rewrite it in your own words and style as necessary. This will help you produce an original and compelling article that can be submitted to the Popular Science website, and you don't have to worry about copyright because everything we're doing is completely legal as long as you are writing in your own words and making it unique, okay? The aarp.org website will be the last one we discuss. Go to their website and look at their submission guidelines if you want to know how to send them your content. The good thing is that they accept articles on a variety of subjects, including health fitness, and they pay up to $2 per word, which is more money than the other websites we've discussed. You can now submit your articles to all 3 websites, including aarp.org, Popular Science, and eatingwell.com. Even if they only accept 1 article per day, you can still earn hundreds of dollars per day by submitting different articles to each website because they won't accept the same thing twice. Of course, not every article you submit will be accepted because they might already have something similar on their website. But don't worry, you can start doing this right away for free and get paid directly to your PayPal or bank account. You don't even need to know anything about affiliate marketing. All you need to do is copy, paste, and send an email. As a final bonus, this website has a tool that allows you to write articles entirely from scratch, so if you don't want to waste time looking for articles on Google News, you can use it instead. As you can see, this is just a tool from this awesome website. If you look up here, it says new, so it's a fully updated version of this AI article writer tool. It can help you write a premium quality up to 3,000 word SEO-friendly blog articles in just 3 simple steps. The website has a ton of other amazing tools as well, but for now, we'll focus on this AI article writer. But trust me, you only need 1 out of every 10 of those words to earn thousands of dollars right now. Just give them your name and email address, and they'll send you the activation link. Click it, then go to your inbox to log in. Okay, now let me show you how to use this tool. Click this AI article writer right here. Then, just click right here and enter the subject you want to write your article about. For instance, if we wanted to write an article for the health niche, we would go to Google News and search for an article. We would pick this one, copy the title, paste it on the website, and then click Search Keywords. This would then give us a list of keywords related to what we searched. We could pick a few of them, but we should make sure they are close to and relevant to the topic we are trying to write our article about. After highlighting them, I'll simply copy them by selecting them, pressing Ctrl+C, and separating them with a comma before clicking Next. I won't go into too much detail in this video, so just click Generate Ideas. It will give me 3 titles to choose from. I'll pick the first one. Then, click Generate Outlines. It will give you 3 options. Pick the first one. Finally, click Generate Article. Wow, it even features an emotive image from Pixabay that you may use without running afoul of copyright restrictions. You can write an excellent essay of 1184 words with a whopping $2,000 worth of value in less than a minute. This product is a game changer since it's like having a full-fledged team of writers and designers at your disposal for nothing. If you haven't already, I believe you will click the like button after this section, so allow me to describe everything for you first. Go to Google News and locate an article that grabs your attention. Once you've found one you like, copy the entire article and paste it into Spinbot. From there, you can pitch it to the 3 websites I showed you. If they're interested, they'll get in touch with you and request your payment information. However, if you're looking for a quicker and easier method, just copy the article's title and paste it into the Writer tool. Within a few clicks, you'll have a finished piece that you can sell to any of the 3 websites I mentioned. That concludes today's video. Start earning money online right away, as it's that simple. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video on my channel for more real methods to make money online.